Want to learn how to download and sign up for Ask FM app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So the initial process of having an account on Ask FM app is having the app itself. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Ask FM and search for this particular app. You can see that I have already installed Ask FM app on my phone. If you haven't done it yet, you can go back and tap on install on the top right corner and make this app install and download it properly. After that, tap on open option. You're on to the very first section of the Ask FM app itself. Now you can get started with your Facebook account, with your Wiki account, or with your Google account. Or you can simply get logged in if you have an account already. Today, I am going to create an account with my Google account. So I'm going to tap on Google icon on the bottom right corner just above start now. Just by doing it, you can see that I have been given an option to choose an account of Google to create an account with. I'm going to choose one of the account for this. You can do the same. And yes, I have an option of choosing a username or birthday. I am going to choose different username here. So when I'm done choosing the username, I'm going to tap on birthday and choose my birth year, my birth date, and then my birth month. When I'm done, I'm going to tap on OK option on the right corner. So when you're done choosing both your username and keeping your birthday, tap on sign up below. Now you have an option of showing them that how do you look. But if you want to skip it, you can tap on skip on the center bottom just below this capture option. Now you can describe yourself and add your interest to your bio. I'm going to choose some of the random things that I love. I love fashion. You need to just tap on like this. I love football, and you can similarly slide from right to left just like this and then choose the things that you love. I love fitness, I love movies, I love electronic music, and just like this. When you're done, tap on next on the bottom. You can see that just by doing it, you have successfully created an account on Ask FM. And now if you want to make more edits on your profile, you can tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. And this is it, Vibes Matter. That is my own profile and the name of my profile. If you want to add profile picture, you can tap on this profile icon once again with this V. You can either choose from gallery, take a photo at the moment, and even set the mood. I'm going to choose one from gallery by tapping on photos. You can do of your own. Either you can take a picture at the moment or even choose one from the gallery. So I'm going to choose this picture just by tapping on it, and you can see that it's being loaded. And yes, that's the profile picture of mine. So this is how you do it. Now you can tap and ask yourself, find friends to follow, and even answer some of the anonymous questions that you like. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.